guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited because my package came. So this time I'm going to unbox my package. Then guess what inside? So let's open it now. Okay, so I'm so excited to see it, guys. Oh, here it is. I bought this online from FORDEAL application. This one, the FORDEAL application sent me letter. As you can see, here is the thank you letter from FORDEAL application. So let's read it. It's written here in their letter that thanks for choosing FORDEAL. We are dedicated to provide you with various high-quality products. You can get bonus to your FORDEAL balance account when you comment on your received items. Further, if you have more questions, please feel free to contact us effectively through our app. Ayan. Thank you letter. This is a thank you letter from the app, from the application shops. So thanks for choosing FORDEAL. We are dedicated to provide you with various high-quality products. You can get bonus to your FORDEAL balance account when you comment on your received item. Product, nabili ko ang item na to sa halagang 400 plus. At ito na siya, guys. Guess what? Tara! It's a sewing machine. Guys, dahil alam nyo, bata pa ako, is one of my childhood dream is to be a fashion designer. So ngayon, bubuksan na natin kung ano yung nasa loob ng box, kung anong itsura ng sewing machine. Styro. Tara. So happy to have this. I'm so happy to have this, guys. Libangan lang, di ba? Habang nandito ka sa abroad, pag may mga extra time ka, so ito yung magiging libangan mo. At least may ginagawa ka, nalilikha mo yung mga bagay na naiisip mong gawin. Kasi ganun ako mahilig akong mag-isip. Tapos gusto ko yung mga nasa imagination twist. So, dahil mahilig ako mag-create ng mga bagay-bagay. So, gusto ko yung maging totoo. Ito yung kuan. Ito yung wire. Tapos ito yung inaapakan kapag nag-stitch ka. Ayan na, portable sewing machine. Ito yung plug niya. Oh, ang cute! Ang cute niya, guys. Guys. Oh my God, so cute. I love it. Itsura ng aking sewing machine. Ang ganda. Ang cute niya, guys, no? Tapos, so cute. I love it. Thank you, FORDEAL, for sending this to me. So, ngayon ang problema ko na lang is paano ko i-set up. Kaya, basahin na lang kung ano yung nasa manual niya. Ang cute niya guys, promise. Ito yung manual niya. May sewing machine na ako guys. So, ayun. Thank you FORDEAL for your excellent product. So yun lang guys, kung hindi pa kayo nakakapag-subscribe dito sa YouTube channel ko, mag-subscribe na kayo para ma-update kayo sa aking journey na lilikha ako or magka-create ako ng mga sarili kong product na possible ibebenta ko online. Thank you guys. Bye.
Looking my way, and I'm looking your way. So here's the thing that I need, I'll make it clear. Now here's your chance.